Hey everyone, how are you? Okay, this was just random live that I thought I'll do because it's been so long. How have you been, guys? Hi Vignesh. Hey Sasir. Hey Roy, how are you? Manoj, hi. Guys, Manoj is like one of my oldest dear friends, and I have not been able to meet him for really long. But I'm hoping that we meet soon. Dunia, thank you so much. Much love to you. Hey Sakti, hi, how are you? Rishi, thank you so much. Hey Abhi, hi. Salman, thank you so much. Madan, hi, how are you? Hope you're doing well. Hey Pritish, hey Nitin. Guys, how have you been? It's been so long. Sorry, I have not been active with posting and with lives, but Arux, thank you so much. Yes, I have eaten. Sorry, I drank my smoothie. I'm on like a juice diet / fast or whatever. So whatever's my version of lunch for today, I've had. Talamu, hi. XX Money, hi. Much love to you. Zef, no, I'm not single at all. Jitendra, hi. Upload more hot pics. Okay, Jagu, I'll try for sure. Deepak, yes, we'll keep that in mind for sure. Hey Abu, how are you? I am good. Sarad R. Chandran. Okay. I'm just trying to get the pronunciations right. You guys are like all. I don't know. So, how have you been, guys? I just wanted to say hi and check on all of you. And just know what have all of you been up to? How's your Sunday going? What plans for the day? What? No, I'm not doing armpit pose, guys. Please stop it. It's just weird. Ravana, life is going great. I was a tad bit busy to plan lives and everything, but yes, I will make it a point to be more regular with this. Talamuttu, thank you so much. Much love to you. Mr. Ash, much love to you. Hey Dinesh, how are you? Happy Sunday to you. Srinath, thank you so much, Srinath. That really means a lot. For whatever my gratitude is worth, but every time you say, you have how you guys have been following my movies and like the whole details of my graph. Some of them are so nuanced. I think I didn't observe as much as you guys said you have observed, but many of you who've been writing emails to me, I'm just not very good with replying, but just to let you know that every email I receive, I personally read. And it really makes me so happy that some of you are so, detailed in your appreciation and what you love, and it really makes my day. So please keep them coming. Arman Sharma, thank you so much. Justin, yes, I love Malayalam movies. I don't think there's anyone who doesn't love Malayalam movies. Every time we think, oh, this is just superlative, they come up with a new project with completely bowls us over, and like, I think they have the best writers in the country. That's something I can definitely tell for Malayalam cinema. Nature Natarajan, Vanakam, eppadi irkeenga? Saptacha. What are you doing on a Sunday? Okay, that's it. My Tamil ends there. Sonu baby's birthday. Alright, happy birthday, Sonu. Baby, you're somebody's baby, obviously. Many happy returns of the day. Hope you have a wonderful year ahead. I love Tamil. Okay, guys, I don't make me choose between the industries. I have worked in all of them. and there is something extremely wow and beautiful in each one of them. I cannot pick a favorite. Very level Tamil, ayyo. Thank you. I can speak better, but for some reason, I don't know. It's only when I'm in Chennai after 3 or 4 days, like it's like a geographical thing. When I go to a new state or a city, I think after like 3 or 4 days, the language starts kicking in and I can talk like a local. But when I come back home, I just forget everything. I don't know why this works the way it works. Hey Kiran, how are you? Happy Sunday to you. CSK or MI? CSK any day. Any day. Hey Venkat, how are you? Rahman, much love to you, Rahman. Enna pandringa? Onnume illa. I'm at home just lazing on a Sunday, not doing anything very productive. And then I realized, oh, I have time, I should go live. That's all I'm doing right now. Vikara, thank you so much, Vikara. Much love to you. Svidinesh, yes, CSK. I don't post about it, and you know, guys, if I'm supporting a certain team or a certain player or anything, I just don't like putting it out there on Instagram. But oh, gonna miss my Tesla, huh? Okay, guys, I'll plan it. Tesla requires some planning. I have to wear a sari or a costume which very organically displays it, but I'll have to plan that and maybe do it for the next live. Or next time I'm wearing a sari, I'll come live. Easy, simple. Abhilash, thank you so much. Pikachu, you want to marry me, but your age is 23. See, that's the least of the problems you need to worry about. The bottom line is, I don't cook. I don't do any housework. And I'm quite a lazy person. My entire family will vouch for it. So there are other troubles you'll have to deal with if you choose to marry me. Hey Rohit, hey Kavya, no, that won't be possible. Roy, thank you so much, Roy. Means a lot. Hey Srinath, hi, how are you? Ramar Bujji, hey. Yes, I had my lunchtime passer. IPL is going on. Yes, I know. I'm going to start watching. Oh, I'm so sorry. So I didn't realize you guys will have to stop watching the match to watch the live. I'll maybe start watching the match. By the way, who won the toss? What is going on? I just know that match was happening. That's all I know. I was with family a while back and they said, hey, I think toss is going to happen. So I knew like the match is going to start, but Laksha bro, thank you so much. I don't know, guys, when next live was. Even this live, I didn't know that it's now. It is so impulsive. I think it's a mood. I have to be in a mood to want to talk a lot, and then I enjoy doing the live. Otherwise, it's honestly, it's quite challenging if you're not in the mood to talk and you want to do a live. Match is on at 7:30. Okay, so the match is not now. So it's fine if I have the live now, right? Abdur, thank you so much. Kongara Manoj, big hello to Vijayawada. Thank you so much. I love the city. Football addict. Thank you so much. Leo Thomas is asking, why am I called Tesla? Leo, I don't know what to say. It's just a nickname they as in my ardent admirers have bestowed upon me, and yeah, it just sounds cute, so I let it be. Gokul, thank you so much, Gokul. That was a fun movie to shoot too. Thank you so much. Hollywood next movie what? Madan, thank you. That is a next level question. That's really nice. I like the question itself. Oh God, when are you doing Hollywood? Thank you, Madan. Soon, very soon, hopefully. Malli heroine ga chestara meru. Oh, తెలియదు. I would like to, but I really don't know. I think currently picking a project, I can say I'm looking for this and this and this, but finally what I agree on is just completely based on, I think, just a vibe or a gut feeling, or like, acha, I just want to get on the set and shoot. It could be multiple things, but second half of this year, guys, I will be shooting movies. I have received ton of your emails and I have tried responding to them, but there are a lot of mails coming and most of them ask me the same question. And I think this is the only time I'm introspective and trying to figure, oh my, there are so many of you who want to watch my movies again. It's the most validating thing ever, receiving those mails in the morning, and I intend to make it happen this year. Hey Bashir, Telugu. I'll talk. I know. I just get a little, I don't know, conscious or shy or something. It'll come. Hang on. I'll speak in Telugu in a bit. Many happy returns of the day, Selva. Have an amazing year ahead. यार टेस्ला आज नहीं दिखेगा, ये क्या है? मेरा चेहरा देखना है, टेस्ला देखना है? No, I'm not going to the CSK match today, guys. I'm going to watch it on TV. Bikini post. I don't know. Let's see. एक दिन भाई मूड है वो, एक दिन हो जाएगा and I'll just post. It's so mood based. Posting pictures on Insta is something I do purely for fun, and it's very mood based what I want to post that day. Today I was thinking of posting some throwback pictures from 2022 and 21. I felt like, oh, thank you so much, Secret. You have me as your wallpaper. Oh, thank you. So you think of me more than once a day every time you unlock your phone, huh? I'm really happy to know that. Muttu, thank you so much, Muttu. Much love to you. Karthik, I'm 39 and in less than 2 weeks I'll be turning 40. That's my age. Hey Manish, much love to Gorakhpur. Hi Bharti, how are you? Bikini video? No guys, that's not going to happen. Thank you so much. Remove my hair, why? Oh, Antonio, thank you. Oh, you made my day. You know what? You really want a girl to start liking, tell her how she doesn't look her age. He's like, oh, 40? No, you look 20. 20? No, you look 5. Not 5, but 16. Chalo. Oh, that's the easiest way. It always works. Even if I think you're lying, it works. That's the best part. Just remember that. It's a tip I'm giving you. Talapati Venkat, thank you. Dark Devil, hey, how are you? Life begins at 40. Yes, absolutely yes. Charlie, thank you so much, Charlie. Tesla's owner, huh? Oh, imagine. What if I owned the company itself? My favorite food, guys, current favorite 2025 is masala dosa. The roast, ghee roast one. I had it in Coimbatore. I had it in Hyderabad. I have it everywhere I go. If there's a ghee roast masala dosa on the menu, I will have it. Even if ever I did keto, I will have masala dosa. I don't know. I don't do, but I'm just saying. That's like my favorite new food. It used to be like pizzas and everything before, but suddenly it's like gone back to what I ate as a kid, I think. It's suddenly like wanting to eat all those things. Shuvi, thank you so much. Which hotel in Coimbatore? Annapurna. It is, I'll tell you guys about Coimbatore. So it's a special city for me. No, I didn't grow up there, but that is where my mom grew up. And Coimbatore is where my parents fell in love. And I have heard the story so many times from them that, oh, this is where we went, Racecourse Road is where we walked, Annapurna we went for dosa. My mom studied in Nirmala College, and there's an Indian naval base there, so that's where my dad was. So every time I go to Coimbatore, it's just like, oh, I'm visiting this place about, whose story I've heard since I was a kid. And then the dosas at Coimbatore are like epic. My entire family has told me, so that's a standard thing I. Tamil, thank you so much. Hey Karthik, how are you? Hope you're doing well. No guys, Tesla's not happening today. Just no. Stop asking. It's not happening today. For lunch, guys, I had a smoothie. I'm doing this juice thing, hoping to just do like a cleanse or like some kind of a prep towards my birthday, for no apparent reason, just so that I can wear the dresses I've ordered for. Precisely and only for that reason. Because there's certain kind of clothes you want to wear, and then you're like, oh, this current body shape is not favoring the costume I want to wear, so. Kiss for fans, alright. That's for all of you. Like for all of you. Are single Poonam ma'am? No, I'm not single. Means in the live I am only single, but otherwise in life I'm not single, if you're asking like relationship status and stuff. Vibes is again asking, what do you mean by Tesla? Oh god, I can't answer this question, guys. It's really funny. Like even my family is asking, what's with this whole Tesla thing? Why do? Then I show them the memes. Like, oh, this is the picture, this is me, this is the Tesla symbol. Do the math. Do the logic. I don't know. Vipin, thank you so much. Much love to Kerala. Vishwa, thank you so much, Vishwa. I'm brand ambassador of Tesla. Oh my. I don't think the company's hired an actress so far to be the brand ambassador, but now that you guys are seeing, probably in a parallel universe. Hey Confession, much love to you. Hi Rajan, much love to Lucknow. I've not been there ever. I have only heard about it, but I've heard the most wonderful things about it. Much love to you. Hey Hustler, how are you? Karthik, done, noted. I will do something about it this year. Teja Sai, thank you so much Teja. Much love to you. Okay guys, I will be closing the live in the next 1 minute. And we'll come live again soon. Manikandan, much love to you. Okay guys, I will be taking leave now. Please take care of yourselves. Thank you so much for joining me on the live so last minute. So many of you turned up. Means a lot to me. Have a wonderful Sunday. I have had a brilliant Sunday so far, and the best part is there's still Sunday left. We also have the match today, and I don't know what else I'm going to do, but let's make it a really good Sunday. Thank you so much for joining me. I will be taking your leave now. Okay, 1 minute. I will be here for a minute or two. Sir, much love to you. Chicken 37.85. Is that a starter? Like 65? I don't know. That's for all of you. Chicken 65 asked me to. Harish, that's for you. You're my favorite childhood heroine. How old are you? Anyways, I know you guys mean it well, but you know, some of you look grown up, like not so much younger than me. You look maybe few years younger than me, and a lot of them say like, oh, since I was a child, I have loved you. When I was in 4th standard going for some, 6th standard going for some tuition class, I remember we saw your poster here and there, and I have mixed feelings. I don't know how to react to that. But it's okay. I know it's all love and it's all appreciation. Thank you so much. Thank you, Venkat. You take care too. King Booster, you take care too. BNK, thank you so much. You look, Deepak, see, Abhi, what is this? You had crush on me from first class means? You were 6 when I was around 19. Thank you. I feel really good. Thank you. Jiva, much love to you. Thank you so much. Hey, Biknesh, much love to Malaysia. Shrival, thank you so much. Introvert mercenary, you were a fan from 3rd standard and now you're in college. Listen, if you're that small now, where you're still going to school, please go and do your homework now. Don't waste time on live, okay? Just in case you guys are still studying in school. Shakir, thank you so much. Shiva, I'm doing great. How are you doing? Okay, guys, now I have to go. Like, now I need to go. Thank you so much for joining me on the live. And see you very soon. I'm thinking like doing a live every day for 5 minutes, maybe till my birthday or something. I'm not sure if I'll do it. Just a thought. Retin, no, I saw your comment. Thank you so much. Shifa, thank you so much. Okay, guys, now I gotta go. Bye-bye. Please take care. Love you. God bless. Have a wonderful Sunday. Thank you so much for joining me on the live, and I will see all of you very soon again, maybe tomorrow itself. Thank you so much, guys. Much love to you. See you soon. Oh God, no, I'll stay for 2 minutes more because my sister's joined. Hi, Dippy. She's just joined, so I'll stay for 2 minutes more. Sister's fine. I'm just worried. Like, I think the rest of the family will have to start doing that individual blocking on Instagram. Dippy, should I put you on video? Guys, I'm just thinking, should I invite my sister for the live? Maybe few minutes we can chat. Oh God, thank you, Dippy. No, Dippy, come. I was hoping she'll join me on live. Arey, come live. It's okay. Nothing happens. Even I didn't put makeup. Not interested. Dude, my sister itself was not interested. I just thought it will be easier for me to keep chatting if I have. Anyways, I'll probably do it later sometime. MK, thank you so much. Okay, Dippy, I'm not adding you, chill. My sis is getting mild anxiety, like, oh God, she's gonna put. No, I'm not putting her on live. So guys, I will see you soon. Please take care. Love you and God bless. This has turned out to be a really long bye. I think I've been saying bye for the last 10 minutes. See you. Please take care. Much love to you. God bless.